requirement to join. You gotta be 50 pounds or more overweight. Casey Stiegel's live in Dallas on this, working the story. How's this work, Casey, and why?
Hey, Bill, good morning to you. You know, there are all kinds of specialty gyms and fitness centers out there for women only, for kickboxing. So why not one for people that are a little overweight? That is exactly the concept behind Downsize Fitness here, where we're live this morning. Once you're a member, you get things like a trainer, a health coach to help you change your diet, even support groups for people who may be struggling. And clients tell us that it is the supported environment that makes this unique.
I used to be in shape and, going to the gym, I never thought twice about it. But, when I gained some weight, started going in, and I started feeling like a fish out of water. I never really felt like I fit in.
You'll find no mirrors here. The outside glass is frosted for privacy. Even the equipment is designed for larger clients, Bill.
It happens when it works. What happens when you're under 50 pounds overweight?
Everyone wants to know that. You don't get kicked out. You can remain a member for as long as you want, even if you're no longer over 50 pounds overweight. The monthly cost comparable to other gyms. There are several hundred members between its Dallas and Chicago locations, with plans to expand into other cities this year, Bill. So it's really interesting. Collectively here in Dallas, they've lost more than 800 pounds since opening in September.
Like that. Thank you. Thank you, Casey. Good deal. New year, new time. Casey Stiegel, live in Dallas. All right.
Well, the once high-profile murder case of Washington intern Chandra Levy is back in the headlines. There are new reports of a conviction in this case could be thrown out.
With over 50 delicious choices of Green Giant vegetables, it's easy to eat like a giant and feel like a Green Giant.
Oh, oh, oh.
Green Giant.
Creep up refi? Cash Call has an unbelievable deal. We'll pay all the closing costs.